Breaking, or Chinese warplanes and 7 warships have just surrounded Taiwan. Is this Xi Jinping's boldest move yet? The world holds its breath. In the last 24 hours, China launched its largest military operation near Taiwan in months. 34 fighter jets, 7 Navy vessels, all aimed right at Taiwan's airspace and surrounding waters. Taiwan scrambled its own jets, activated missile systems, and issued strong warnings. The military is on high alert, and so is the global market. Xi Jinping isn't just flexing muscle. This is a direct signal to the U.S. and its allies. After U.S. lawmakers visited Taiwan and increased arms sales, Beijing is drawing a line in the sand. The U.S. has condemned the move. Japan and Australia are on high alert. The world is watching closely as tensions rise. Again, this isn't just about Taiwan. It's about chips, global power, and a possible new Cold War. A single spark here could change everything. Is this the beginning of the storm, or just another warning shot? Let us know what you think. Stay tuned. This is far from over.